Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is day 14 of our Learning English Challenge, speaking in front of the camera. Guys, this is really funny. Do you know this time when I'm making video is 4 p.m. at the afternoon. I never ever tried to film a video at this time in my life. I always film my video. I used to film my video around 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. during the day or morning, but this, guys, last night I just slept. My plan was to make a video and practice my English in front of the camera. And then in the morning when I woke up, I feel a little bit laziness. I was like just playing around, studying some, and then when I back home, I'm feeling so tired or exhausted. I was feeling exhausted. And I was just like, I need to take a nap. I cannot film in video. I was just procrastinate. And then I just got bed. I just wake up a while ago. So I was all the day I was procrastinating. I didn't make video at all. So I was just wake up a while ago and was just like, let me do it, bro. Because I don't want to skip it. But always I just kind of procrastinate. I always put things off, like saying that I will do it later, or just I'm gonna film it later, or I want to practice my English later. It really kills me. So I was just decided to make video at that moment. So this video is not that good, please spare me. The video I make is not that quality, but I'm just like, I was just it's not usual to make video at this moment. I hope it would be the best video. So guys, we're just speaking English in front of the mirror, and guys, I decided to I speak English. My speaking getting better every day. I'm improving so much, so quickly. But I need to do something. I need to do something important. Really, I don't know, because of the shadowing or practicing or kind of stuff, watching movies or watching YouTube video that native speakers I'm watching. I don't know about that, but I feel like I'm speaking kind of rush English. I feel like most people, they said, we don't understand you so much. You're speaking so quickly. And I was like, what? So this video, I just want to speak slowly to guys make sure you understand what I'm saying. I know my grammar is a little bit shaky. My grammar is not that good, but at least I want to speak slowly and more comfortable, and people understand me, watching me, my videos. Because if you have a shaky grammar, your grammar is not that good, and you're speaking fastly, put many words together quickly, nobody understand you. So I just want to speak this video slowly as much as possible. And also I want to teach myself and train my mouth how to speak slowly, comfortably, like just slowly. Everybody can understand you. Because I was just practicing my English last night, and one of my friends just suddenly saying that, when we're talking, he always say, you say what? Repeat again. Can you say that again? I was like, bro, I'm speaking English. What's wrong with you? And he is fluently, by the way. He speak good English, and he still didn't understand what I'm saying. And he told me that your English is pretty good, like you speak good English, but you're speaking a little bit fast, a little bit rush. It's not the fast that native speakers that speak. Like, there is two fast way. This one I'm right now, the way I speak is kind of a little bit rush. I was just a little bit quick, not that quick, but it's kind of rush English. So he said that you need to slow down while you're speaking English. Like, your accent is not that bad. Like, the way you're speaking, even your grammar is pretty cool. You can still survive. But you need to speak slowly while you're speaking. So I was like, damn. It really, yeah. I was just like, also like, I was just checking that, recording while I speak in English, and as usual, the way I speak, I was just recording that way, and I really finally noticed something a little bit rush while I speak in English. It's a little bit, a boss like I was a little bit quick in like, and that quick is different than native speakers, because native speakers, while they speak in English, they use wanna, I'm gonna. That is fast English, but it's not rush English. Everybody understands that kind of English. Like I use as well. I want to tell you something. I'm gonna catch you later. I use all that stuff, but the way I speak English is kind of like, it's not about that, you know, making where this putting together where it's like wanna, gonna, gotta, all that stuff. It's not like that. It's about the generally when I speak in a little bit quick, and you know, maybe my pronunciation also is not that good. So I just want to make this video, and I'm gonna speak slowly as much as possible. So let me know in this video, what do you think about the way I speak in English? If you think I speaking a little bit rush, please let me know at the comment. Or if you think it is normal, you understand the whole what I'm saying. So for me, I was just a little, I was just feeling a little bit, you know, oh, you need to, bro, slow down. So yeah, that is our video, guys. And you know, really, it helps me a lot. You comment, guys. If you're watching this video, first of all, hit the like button. Hit the like button. Second of all, tell me at the comment, what do you think about my speaking? Because I know my speaking getting better and improving so much. You know, I'm learning and making mistakes or speaking a little bit rough is not a shame. I'm not ashamed of the way I'm speaking, but you know, guys, I was sharing my thoughts and my progress to you. So the people I'm sharing what I'm doing, if they don't understand, it's a little bit problem. So I just want to make sure you guys understand the video and the way I speak in English. So please let me know at the comment, what do you think, what your thought is about my speaking and my English totally overall. So just let me know at the comment. If you're a native speaker, if you're better than me English, just let me know at the comment. So that's our video, guys. I'm really excited I make this video, because in the afternoon, before 1 hour ago, I didn't even think in making this video, because I was just like, no, you never did video at this moment. So if this video goes well, I will make all my video at this moment for sure. This time I am free. I do have a lot of time at this moment. Also, I can practice my English as much as I can. So see you guys next video. I hope you're the best. Have a good one.